Ever wondered what makes your car go vroom vroom? It's not magic, it's the work of a simple but ingenious device, the piston. This amazing component is the heart of your car engine, transforming energy into motion. It's like the heartbeat, pumping life into the vehicle, making it move, turn, and stop at your command. It's a marvel of engineering that we often take for granted, so buckle up as we delve into the heart of your car engine. The piston, an unassuming piece of metal, yet it holds the power to drive tons of metal at high speeds. Don't let appearances deceive you. This humble cylinder is a key player in your car's engine. The piston's journey within the confines of an engine cylinder is a marvel of mechanical engineering. It's a dance of precision, power, and timing, all in a space no bigger than a coffee cup. Let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating world. Picture a 4-act play, with each act representing a phase of the 4-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. In the first act, the intake, the piston descends in the cylinder, drawing in a mixture of air and fuel. The curtain then rises on the second act, compression, as the piston ascends, squeezing this mixture into a tight ball of potential energy. The third act, power, sees the spark plug ignite this compressed mixture, causing an explosion that forces the piston down, generating the power that propels your car forward. Finally, in the fourth act, exhaust, the piston rises once again, pushing out the spent gases and making room for a fresh new cycle to begin. Each stroke is a testament to the piston's crucial role in the engine's functionality. It's a symphony of movement and power that occurs thousands of times per minute, all thanks to that simple yet powerful device. The piston, therefore, is not just a piece of metal, it's a powerhouse that drives your car. Now let's take a closer look at how the piston performs its dance in the 4-stroke cycle. 4 strokes, 4 stages of an elegant dance. The piston, the lead dancer in this powerful ballet, performs each move with precision and grace. The first stage is the intake stroke. Here, our piston descends in the cylinder, creating a vacuum. This vacuum draws in a mix of air and fuel through the intake valve, filling the cylinder. Just like a dancer taking the first stride, the piston begins its performance by setting the stage for the action to come. Next, we have the compression stroke. The piston ascends, pushing upwards and compressing the fuel and air mixture. Imagine a dancer leaping high into the air, reaching the peak of their jump. The piston too reaches a peak, compressing the mixture to its maximum. The intake valve closes, trapping the fuel-air mix inside, like a moment frozen in time. Then, we come to the power stroke. This is where the magic truly happens. The spark plug ignites, creating a mini explosion that forces the piston down. It's like a dancer, spinning rapidly in a pirouette, driven by the force of their own momentum. This downward motion of the piston turns the crankshaft, propelling the vehicle forward. Lastly, we have the exhaust stroke. The piston rises once more, pushing the burned gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve. It's akin to a dancer taking their final bow, leaving the stage clear for the next performance. And then, the dance begins anew. The piston descends once again, drawing in a fresh mix of fuel and air, ready to repeat the cycle. This 4-stroke cycle, with the piston at its heart, is a continuous dance of intake, compression, power, and exhaust. It's a dance that underpins the operation of every gasoline engine, a dance that propels our vehicles down the road. So, in a nutshell, the piston's dance is a carefully choreographed ballet of power and precision. So, we've seen how the piston performs its powerful dance, but what does this mean for your car? It means that every time you turn the ignition, pistons are setting the stage for a ballet of engineering brilliance under your car's hood. These small, yet mighty components are the lifeblood of your engine, converting fuel into the motion that propels your vehicle forward. Without this diligent dancer, your car would be nothing more than an expensive piece of metal. The piston's rhythmic rise and fall, its ceaseless devotion to the 4-stroke cycle, is the unsung hero of your car. It does its job without fanfare, working tirelessly to ensure your vehicle stays on the move. From the smooth purr of a well-tuned engine to the raw power felt when you press down on the accelerator, every aspect of your driving experience is shaped by the humble piston. Next time you're in your car, remember to spare a thought for the tiny piece of metal dancing in the engine, making your journey possible.